guys, and welcome back to J&P's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare this triple layer trifle pudding. This is a delicious and easy recipe which you can use to impress your guests. The ingredients needed are milk, fresh cream, powdered sugar, normal sugar, corn flour, vanilla essence, rusk, custard powder, jelly powder, 500 ml milk and 2 cups water. So firstly, break the rusk into small pieces. Then take the serving glass and arrange the rusk pieces in the bottom. This is going to be our first layer. Now to soften this rusk, we will boil some milk along with a bit of sugar. I prefer to use powdered sugar as it dissolves easily. Once it starts to heat up, pour it over the rusk. This will enable it to soak and develop flavor. Set it in the fridge. Now take a saucepan and to this add the measured milk. Bring it to a slight boil and add in the sugar. Dissolve the sugar completely. Now in another saucepan, add in the custard powder. To this, measure out a few tablespoons of the hot milk. Mix the custard mixture very well without any lumps. Doing this will prevent our custard from turning lumpy. Once the custard powder has dissolved, add this mixture to our milk and mix well. For setting the custard mixture, I like to add in a bit of corn flour. So this will give it a little bit of consistency. Mix well. We don't want a liquidy custard, we want a somewhat set custard. Once our custard starts to set, turn off the heat. Cool it well and then pour it as the second layer. Shake it so that the custards become level. This needs to go to the fridge and set for at least an hour and a half. In the meantime, heat 2 cups of water and once it reaches to the boil, add in the flavored jelly powder. Now our third layer is prepared. Once the custard is set properly, take it out and make sure your jelly mixture is cooled properly as well. And then add in the third layer. This too needs a good couple of hours in the fridge to set properly. In the meantime, in a frozen container, you can pour in the whipping cream. Making use of a frozen bowl makes it easier to whip in the cream. Add in the required amount of sugar, a pinch of vanilla essence and whip it well. To make the whipping process easier, you can also use a bowl filled with ice and place the whipping mixture over it and do the whipping. Whip well. We don't want the consistency to be hard peaks because we want to keep the creamy texture still there. So just lightly whip it until it is half thick. And you can change the consistency according to your taste. I like to keep it a little bit on the watery side. So now our cream is done. This can be stored for later use. And once the jelly has set properly, top it up with our whipped cream. And I like to add in a little bit of chocolate sprinkles to give it a colorful touch. This is optional, but doing it will give it a fun and nice touch. So there we have our trifle pudding ready to be served and enjoyed. And trust me guys, this is going to impress everyone. So if you liked our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.